So my name is Arianna Finnane. I'm a sales associate here at the Nickley Group, and my 2-year anniversary will be in March. So I started right when COVID hit and we went in lockdown. Totally honestly, the opportunities first. Just there were so many opportunities. I had come and visited with the team a few times and just saw that everyone was doing so amazing. And there was this sense of community where people weren't competing, they weren't cutting each other down. Everyone was just supporting each other, and it's there's trickle-down effect of support and love and positive energy, and it was just, I had not seen anything like that anywhere else. On a daily basis, I answer my phone a lot. I send out property listings to buyers. I call everyone, all of my past clients or future clients or current clients, just trying to get in touch with everybody. Follow up on contracts and addendums and inspection periods, so all the in and outs. It's totally different than what I used to do when I was a teacher, because my day would start at a certain time and then end at a certain time, and now it can go into the dark hours of the night, but it's really just my own choice to do that. So just taking care of stuff all day, I guess. So I guess at some point, maybe just earlier this year of 2021, was just getting a lot busier. And you reach a certain point where you feel like you're reaching a capacity of work that you can accomplish. If it's showing buyers, scheduling all of that, and then just making sure that you're being attentive and sending all the right properties. So Holly had signed on as a showing assistant, in general for the team. And then we paired up and she started showing a lot for me. My clients all loved her. She's got great energy when she's interacting. And then when we paired up as showing partners, my business happened to slow down a little bit at that time, but I think it was a really beneficial time because she got to shine in her strengths. So she's really good at social media. She's very good at putting together client communications. So it was really nice for me to see that she can contribute strengths that I lacked them so much that I didn't realize they were a strength I lacked. So she's an integral part of finishing up and rounding out my business. To date, my favorite event has been the Fall Festival. It's so much fun. It's super family friendly, and it's you just get to reconnect with past clients, and it's such a social and fun environment. I do have to say, I'm hoping that we can plan a 5K fun run for the team, so that I want to say is one of my future favorite events. I think it's not there's a lot of awesome memories and great events, but if there was something that I could think that would quantify TNG and what it represents and what it means, is probably anytime someone rings the gong, because it's that's the essence of, we're here to bust our ass and get work done and make things happen for our clients. But it's such a place of support and caring where everybody celebrates it. I think that's really key.